best places to visit in Mexico. Hola, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the rich tapestry of Mexico, a country known for its stunning landscapes, vibrant culture, and warm hospitality. Join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in Mexico. Let the adventure begin. Number 1. Mexico City. Mexico City, the vibrant and bustling capital of Mexico, is a metropolis that seamlessly blends the ancient with the contemporary. Nestled in the Valley of Mexico, this megacity is a dynamic mosaic of rich history, cultural diversity, and modern urban life. At its heart lies the historic Zocalo, one of the largest public squares in the world, surrounded by architectural marvels like the Metropolitan Cathedral and the National Palace. Delve into the city's cultural tapestry by exploring world-class museums such as the renowned National Museum of Anthropology. Wander through the charming neighborhoods like Condesa and Roma, adorned with colorful facades, trendy cafes, and art galleries. From the vibrant street markets offering a taste of authentic Mexican cuisine to the pulsating energy of its nightlife, Mexico City is a sensory feast for every traveler. The juxtaposition of ancient Aztec ruins, such as the Templo Mayor, against the backdrop of a modern skyline, paints a vivid picture of the city's rich historical evolution. With its warm hospitality and an endless array of experiences, Mexico City stands as a captivating destination that captivates the hearts of all who explore its enchanting streets. Number 2. Cancun. Cancun, situated on the northeastern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, is a tropical paradise that beckons with its stunning beaches, crystal-clear waters, and vibrant atmosphere. Renowned for its world-class resorts, Cancun is a premier destination for sunseekers and adventure enthusiasts alike. The Hotel Zone, a narrow strip of land bordered by the Caribbean Sea and Nichup Lagoon, is home to the city's iconic white sandy beaches, offering a picturesque backdrop for relaxation and water activities. Beyond the shoreline, visitors can explore the nearby ancient Mayan ruins of El Rey and El Mico, providing a fascinating glimpse into the region's rich history. As the sun sets, Cancun comes alive with a bustling nightlife scene, featuring beachfront clubs, lively bars, and cultural performances. For those seeking a taste of local culture, a visit to downtown Cancun offers authentic street markets, traditional Mexican eateries, and the opportunity to immerse oneself in the warm hospitality of the local community. Whether you're unwinding on the beach, exploring historical sites, or dancing the night away, Cancun offers a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement, making it a top destination for tropical getaways. Number 3. Oaxaca. Nestled in the foothills of the Sierra Madre mountain range, Oaxaca is a captivating Mexican destination celebrated for its rich cultural heritage, culinary delights, and vibrant traditions. The city's colonial architecture, characterized by colorful buildings and cobblestone streets, sets the stage for an enchanting experience. Oaxaca is renowned for its diverse indigenous communities, each contributing unique artistic expressions to the city's cultural tapestry. The city's central square, the Zocalo, is a hub of activity, surrounded by landmarks like the Oaxaca Cathedral and the Government Palace. Nearby, the Mercado Benito Juarez offers a sensory feast with stalls brimming with local crafts, textiles, and aromatic spices. Art enthusiasts will find themselves captivated by the city's thriving art scene, with numerous galleries and workshops showcasing indigenous crafts, intricate textiles, and vibrant pottery. Beyond the city, Monte Alban, an ancient Zapotec archaeological site, offers a glimpse into Oaxaca's pre-Columbian history. Festivals and celebrations are woven into the fabric of Oaxacan life, with events like the Day of the Dead, Dia de los Muertos, attracting visitors from around the world. With its warm, welcoming atmosphere and a celebration of traditions, Oaxaca invites travelers to immerse themselves in a cultural journey that goes beyond the ordinary. Number 4. Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza, an ancient archaeological marvel nestled on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, stands as a testament to the advanced civilization of the Maya people. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and recognized as one of the new 7 wonders of the world, Chichen Itza holds profound historical and cultural significance. The centerpiece of Chichen Itza is the iconic Kukulkan Pyramid, also known as El Castillo, a monumental step pyramid that served as a sacred temple. Its unique design aligns with astronomical phenomena, showcasing the Maya's sophisticated understanding of celestial events. During the spring and fall equinoxes, the play of sunlight and shadow creates an awe-inspiring illusion of a serpent descending the pyramid staircase. The archaeological complex encompasses a vast area, featuring structures like the Temple of the Warriors, the Great Ball Court, and the Observatory. The intricate carvings, detailed reliefs, and intricate hieroglyphics on these structures provide insights into the Maya's advanced knowledge in astronomy, mathematics, and art. Visitors can explore the sacred cenote, a natural sinkhole believed to have held great religious significance. Artifacts discovered in its depths offer a glimpse into the Maya's religious practices, including offerings of pottery, jade, and human sacrifices. Chichen Itza's historical significance extends beyond its architecture. It was a major trading and ceremonial center from the 7th to the 10th century and later played a role in the post-classic period. The site's blend of Puuc and Toltec architectural styles showcases the cultural interchange that occurred over the centuries. Number 5. Guanajuato. Nestled in the picturesque mountains of central Mexico, Guanajuato is a city that captivates visitors with its colonial charm, colorful streets, and rich cultural heritage. Designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Guanajuato's unique topography, with its narrow winding streets and hilly terrain, adds to the city's distinctive character. Guanajuato is known for its significant role in Mexican history and the fight for independence. The Alhóndiga de Granaditas, a former grain storage building, witnessed a crucial battle during the War of Independence. Today, it houses a museum that recounts the city's historical journey. The city is also renowned for its cultural events and festivals, including the International Cervantes Festival, celebrating literature and the arts. The Teatro Juárez, an architectural masterpiece, hosts performances and cultural events throughout the year. For a unique subterranean experience, visitors can explore the city's network of tunnels originally built to control flooding. These tunnels now serve as roadways, offering a fascinating and unconventional way to navigate Guanajuato. Guanajuato's undeniable charm, rich history, and artistic ambience make it a gem among Mexican destinations, inviting travelers to lose themselves in its winding streets and discover the cultural treasures that define this enchanting city. Number 6. Tulum. Tulum, a coastal paradise on the Yucatan Peninsula, effortlessly blends ancient Mayan ruins with pristine beaches, creating a destination that appeals to both history enthusiasts and sun-seekers. Nestled along the Caribbean coast, Tulum offers a unique and picturesque setting for exploration. The crowning jewel of Tulum is the Tulum Archaeological Zone, where the ruins of a once thriving Mayan city perch atop cliffs overlooking the turquoise waters of the Caribbean Sea. The Castillo, a castle-like structure, serves as the focal point, providing breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline. Beyond its archaeological wonders, Tulum boasts some of the most stunning beaches in Mexico. The soft, white sands and clear azure waters create a serene backdrop for relaxation. Tulum's eco-conscious and bohemian atmosphere is reflected in its boutique hotels, beachside resorts, and yoga retreats. The town itself offers a laid-back vibe, with artisanal shops, organic cafes, and vibrant street art contributing to its unique character. For nature enthusiasts, the Sian Khan Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is just a short drive away. This expansive reserve is home to diverse ecosystems, including mangroves, wetlands, and tropical forests, offering opportunities for birdwatching, boat tours, and encounters with diverse wildlife. Tulum's allure lies not only in its archaeological wonders and natural beauty but also in its laid-back, bohemian charm, creating a unique destination that invites travelers to connect with both the ancient past and the vibrant present. Number 7. Puerto Vallarta. Nestled on the Pacific coast of Mexico, Puerto Vallarta is a tropical haven that seamlessly combines stunning natural beauty with a vibrant cultural scene. This coastal gem, framed by the lush Sierra Madre Mountains and the sparkling waters of Banderas Bay, has earned a reputation as one of Mexico's premier vacation destinations. Puerto Vallarta's iconic Malecón, a scenic seaside boardwalk, serves as the heart of the city. Lined with sculptures, street performers, and lively shops, the Malecón is the perfect place to soak in the local atmosphere. The city's old town, or Zona Romantica, is a charming district characterized by cobblestone streets, vibrant markets, and colonial-style architecture. Here, visitors can explore the historic parish of Our Lady of Guadalupe, an iconic church with intricate details that stand as a symbol of Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta is renowned for its beautiful beaches, each offering a unique charm. Playa Los Muertos, with its lively atmosphere and beachfront restaurants, is a popular spot for sunbathing and water activities. For a more secluded experience, the beaches of Conchas Chinas provide a tranquil escape with picturesque landscapes. Puerto Vallarta's welcoming and inclusive atmosphere, combined with its stunning landscapes and cultural richness, makes it a destination that caters to both relaxation and exploration, ensuring an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Number 8. Puebla. Nestled in the heart of Mexico, Puebla is a captivating city known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and exceptional cuisine. Founded in 1531, Puebla is renowned for its well-preserved colonial architecture, earning it the distinction of being a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The city's historic center is a visual feast, featuring charming cobblestone streets, colorful facades, and a wealth of ornate churches and cathedrals. The Puebla Cathedral, a majestic example of Spanish colonial architecture, dominates the main square, known as the Zocalo. Puebla is celebrated for its exquisite cuisine, often considered one of the culinary capitals of Mexico. The city is the birthplace of the iconic mole poblano, a rich and complex sauce made with chocolate and spices. Visitors can savor this delicacy and other traditional dishes in local markets, street stalls, and upscale restaurants. Puebla is also renowned for its talavera pottery, a traditional style of ceramics with intricate designs and vibrant colors. The nearby archaeological site of Cholula, just a short distance from Puebla, adds another layer to the city's historical tapestry. The Great Pyramid of Cholula, the largest pyramid by volume, offers a glimpse into pre-Columbian Mesoamerican history. Number 9. Holbox Island, situated off the northern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula, is a hidden gem that offers a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of traditional tourist destinations. Accessible by ferry from the town of Chiquila, Holbox is a car-free paradise known for its laid-back atmosphere, pristine beaches, and unique wildlife. The island's main attraction is its beautiful beaches, characterized by soft white sands and shallow turquoise waters. Visitors can relax under swaying palm trees, enjoy breathtaking sunsets, and swim in the calm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Holbox's beachfront is also famous for its vibrant street art and colorful murals, adding an artistic touch to the natural beauty. Holbox is a haven for birdwatchers, as the island is a habitat for various species, including flamingos, pelicans, and ibises. The island is part of the Yumbalam Biosphere Reserve, ensuring the preservation of its diverse ecosystems. The island's charming town, also named Holbox, features sandy streets, colorful Caribbean-style buildings, and a relaxed ambience. Local markets and seafood restaurants serve up fresh catches, allowing visitors to savor delicious culinary delights while enjoying the island's authentic charm. Number 10. Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen, situated along the turquoise waters of the Riviera Maya on the Caribbean coast, is a vibrant and trendy destination that perfectly blends natural beauty with a lively atmosphere. Known for its stunning beaches, bustling nightlife, and diverse cultural scene, Playa del Carmen has become a favorite among travelers seeking a perfect balance of relaxation and excitement. The city's pristine beaches, such as Playa Mamitas and Playa Car Beach, boast powdery white sands and clear, warm waters, providing an idyllic setting for sunbathing, swimming, and water sports. The vibrant coral reefs just off the coast offer excellent opportunities for snorkeling and diving, allowing visitors to explore the rich marine life of the Caribbean. Fifth Avenue, or Quinta Avenida, is the bustling heart of Playa del Carmen. This pedestrian-friendly street is lined with a plethora of shops, restaurants, cafes, and vibrant street performers. Playa del Carmen serves as a gateway to explore nearby natural wonders. The ancient Mayan ruins of Tulum, the ecological parks of Acaret and Selja, and the mysterious cenotes, natural sinkholes, are all easily accessible from the city, providing opportunities for cultural immersion and outdoor adventures. The laid-back yet vibrant atmosphere, combined with the city's accessibility to both relaxation and exploration, makes Playa del Carmen a beloved destination for travelers seeking the best of the Caribbean experience in Mexico. There you have it, fellow travelers, 10 incredible places to visit in Mexico. From ancient ruins to tropical paradises, this country has something for every explorer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, adios amigos.